Hey, how are you doing? Welcome to Miss Tech Hack. What is this video all about? Let's have a preview. Today in this video we will see how to convert class components to functional components in our React application. Before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to Miss Tech Hack, so you don't miss on any of our updates and latest videos. A bonus tip. Are you in a hurry to learn React? Well, I have a good news for all who want to be a React developer. Check out the Udemy course link in description. And you can access all React training videos in just one click. Do watch the video till end to get all the insights. So let's get started. As you can see, we have got some warning, which means type and menu component does not have any state variable but only props. So no constructor is needed. To fix this we will convert them to functional components. Starting with type component, to achieve this we will remove the constructor and class name. Add a function instead as render toast and move the toast code inside it. Now create a const, that is a functional component with same name as file name type and move the if condition in it. Call the render toast method by rendering it from the if condition now. Clean up the code now. Let's move to menu component now and do the same. Remove the constructor and class name. Rename render as function with name as render menu. Move and return the entire media code from there. Here we will pass the species and onClick method. Create a const as menu and move the rest of the code inside it. And call render menu by rendering it from div. Let's check the code once. We don't need onClick here, so remove it. Let's save and the warnings are gone now. Refresh now and check. Our app is working perfectly. So, we have successfully converted class components to functional components in our React application. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. For any queries or concerns, write me down in the comments section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.